Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. The other day I watched with my wife a rather wonderful little independent movie called Limbo, made for Channel 4 films. And it's basically about a group of asylum seekers who end up being temporarily housed on a remote Scottish island called Uist whilst their asylum claims are being processed. And this place is right up off the north coast of Scotland. It's a very remote area, very isolated, and also very sparsely populated. In the summer, it's incredibly beautiful. It's wild and windswept and empty and really breathtakingly stunning. In the winter, though, it's another story. You get blizzards, you get this wild wind whipping in off the sea. And as I said to my wife, you'd need to be a particularly hardy kind of person to live up there all year round. If you describe a person or a group of people as hardy, you basically mean that they're able to withstand extreme conditions. They're strong enough to bear extreme weather conditions. So, for example, near where I live, there's an open-air reservoir that you can go swimming in, and it's open all year round. Obviously, in the summer, it's very busy, but you do get a few hardy souls who continue to swim there all year round. You might also sometimes encounter or see on TV in like a National Geographic documentary or something, hardy mountain folk who seem to thrive on the extreme cold. Hard is also sometimes used to talk about animals. So you might hear about hardy mountain goats or hardy red deer or a particularly hardy breed of sheep. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use hardy.